Hello. In this practical activity, we have to study power transistor performance. Practical number 1, subject FPE. So, power transistor or power BJT, it is a semiconductor device and it is used to turn on and turn off the various operations. They are used in high power application. For this purpose, refer this circuit diagram. We have to implement this circuit diagram. We have to build this circuit diagram on breadboard. So in this circuit diagram, various resources used are power transistor. It is BD139 power transistor or 2N3055 power transistor or any other suitable power transistor we can use. Resistors are 100 ohm, 5 watt, 3.3 kilo ohm and 1 watt. Refer this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, it is NPN type transistor having 3 terminals, emitter denoted by E, base denoted by B and collector denoted by C. These are the 3 terminals of this power transistor. Now, this power transistor, it is in common emitter configuration because emitter terminal is common for input as well as output. VBB, it is voltage supply to base terminal. RB, it is resistor connected to base terminal. IB, it is base current. It can be measured by using ammeter. Similarly, RC, it is resistor connected to collector terminal and VCC, it is voltage connected to collector terminal. We have to build this circuit diagram on the breadboard. As you can observe on this breadboard, it is a power transistor having 3 terminals. So leftmost terminal, this leftmost terminal is emitter, central terminal is base or middle terminal and rightmost terminal, it is having 3 terminals, emitter, collector and base. So this thing, it can be understood easily. Refer this diagram. BD139, 3 terminals, E, C, B, emitter, collector and base. These are the 3 terminals of this power transistor E, C and B, emitter, collector and base. Now, this emitter terminal, it is connected to ground or it can be connected to 0 volt supply. It is a power supply. On this power supply, it is dual power supply. It is positive and negative terminal. So, this emitter terminal, it is connected to ground. Base terminal, it is provided with a voltage supply and collector terminal, it is also provided with a voltage supply. Refer to the procedure. In the procedure, as you can observe, we have to increase the power supply VBB and set the value of base voltage IB. Initially what we have to do, we have to provide the voltage to base terminal and we have to increase or set the value of IB. We have to make the value of IB as constant, and in second step we have to increase VCC in steps of 1 volt. We have to increase VCC in steps of 1 volt, and we have to record IC and VCE. IC means collector current and VCE means voltage between collector and emitter. So in the last step we have to plot these characteristics. Now initially we have to keep the values 0 for this particular device. Initially this power supply, it is having 0 value for voltage and current. Now as you can observe, now the value of voltage, it can be increased gradually and measured by using multimeter. So this voltage, it is provided to collector and base terminal. Now here you can observe the value of the voltage. We can increase and this value is around 8 volt, and we have to make the readings of voltage and current. Now when we plot the characteristics of voltage versus current, now in this case you can observe initially base current IB, it is constant for 1 milliampere, and when we increase voltage VCE from 0 to 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt and 4 volt, then current value IC, it increases, and this IC, it will be constant. This straight line, it indicates a constant value of IC. Similarly, when base current is 2.5 milliampere, then the value of this IC, it will increase, and after some time it will be a constant value. Similarly, if we increase the value of IB, IB means base current, then what will happen? This IC, it will attain a stable value for various value of base current. For these particular characteristics, we assume that the temperature is normal temperature around 25 degree Celsius. So in observation table, this is observation table for these characteristics. In this observation table, IB1 means base current 1 milliampere. For 1 milliampere, values of collector current and VCE voltages are: for 0.1 milliampere, VCE voltage is 1 volt. For 0.1, again IC, this VCE, this voltage it will increase, but IC it will be a constant value. Similarly, for base current 5 milliampere, IC will attain a constant value of 0.2 milliampere. And in practical related questions, the specification of power transistor we have to write from data sheet. So refer the data sheet, and from data sheet we can write the specification of power transistor BD139. So in this way, in this practical number 1, we have achieved the outcome of testing the functioning of a power transistor. Thank you.